area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
A special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child.
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Monstropolis!
Oh, goody there.
Horrible! I was minding my own business when this human child froze me with its telepathic control. It made me dance like a chicken.
Oh, boy, we gotta get you home.
It goes me up and down like a go-go. It was horrible.
Come on, this way.
We have a 2319 in progress. Get the spread out and lock it down. There's nothing down here. All units, be on the lookout for this child.
I ain't working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Race you to the scare floor.
They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Oh, dear.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life. I love you, kiddo.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Okay, humans, prepare for decontamination.
Let's do it. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 900.
You guys in the third
We can neither
row.
confirm nor deny the presence of a
That's your
human
little
child here.
monster.
We responded to a 2319
If he doesn't behave today,
reported to the
you
scene
just
where we
let me
immediately
know.
secured the area. We spread out.
Have a nice day.
After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we
Nice to see you.
status to 900.
Hey, young man in the third row. Sir, stop making goo-goo eyes at me. I'm not that kind of girl. Ta-ta! Nice to see you.